Alright, so I'm going to continue on where the last tutorial left off. We have our green lantern here. Now what I want to do is add a background, and I'm actually going to set up all of these layers in a pre-composition. That way, if in the future if I want to add more characters to the scene, it'll be easier because I won't have a list of 100 different layers. So why don't we do that first? Select all the layers for the green lantern, right click, and we're going to precompose. I'm going to call this Hal Jordan. That's the character's name. And OK. So you can see that all of those layers now became Hal Jordan. If I double click on that, I can continue editing the animation. Okay, let's go back to Green Lantern, which is my main timeline. Now one thing, when I pre-composed my animation, it is no longer a 3D layer, so you'll notice my camera doesn't move. So I have to click that 3D box there. Okay, and now it moves as normal. And for some reason that camera is cutting off the movement there. Okay, I'm just gonna, there we go, tweak the camera a little bit. And we'll make it zoom out. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Okay, the next step I want to do is to add a background. So I'm going to go File, Import. Just got this image off Google. It's on my desktop. So just drag that into my timeline. And I also want to make that a 3D layer. But I just have to make sure that my position is far enough back. And now if I make it really far back, let's see what happens. Let's just scale that up. Okay, that looks pretty cool. Now I can make that image even farther back. And it'll give the illusion that it's actually, you know, the background and not just a flat image. The further away it is, the less it'll change with camera movement. Okay, I kind of like that. Let's just preview that. This is almost real time. There we go, that's real time. Okay, I like that. So there you go. There is a pre-composing and adding a background.